Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Also, from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Apple stock in my retirement portfolios from the long side, so just keep that in mind as I go through the analysis. Well, today, reality showed up a little bit and, had the gap up, and then the price just totally flushed from that area. So, it started off the day with a gap and trap. There's the gap up, and then just down it went. Now, to be fair, the price did recover a little bit. But now that all the dust has settled after a very dramatic day, there's definitely a couple of key technical levels that really stand out and I think are, I don't want to say obvious, because if you've never seen a chart before, then they're not obvious to you. But let me put it this way. People that use charts, understand charts, more than likely have discovered and are going to be watching these levels. So this is not me trying to proclaim or come across like I have some sort of special talent. The exact opposite, I assure you, like I said, a lot of people will be watching these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So I want to talk about a couple of these areas. The first level is just the breakout point. So you're going to have every breakout player and their brother's uncle watching this area right here at 132.50. And when that's important, because no such thing as a guarantee, but my point here is this: it is a more than rational thought to have that if the price can work its way up to that area and then get the break of it, that could very well create some good, solid upside buying pressure. Again, not a guarantee, but a more than valid and rational thought to have. So 132.50 going to be that first key technical level to watch from the resistance side of things. As far as areas of support are concerned, so the level that a lot of shorts are going to be watching is right here around this level of 129. Again, one of those areas where not a guarantee, but if the price were to go down to that level and then break down through it, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure, which could open up some tradable opportunities, from that angle of things. But overall, I think, in my opinion at least, after all the dust has settled now, those are going to be the two main technical levels to watch moving forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.